Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will learn Surah Al-Qari'ah. Surah means chapter and Al-Qari'ah means the shocker, the shock, the great sadness for those people, the shock for those people who are not obeying Allah Almighty in this world. Because in this world we are just for a few years, and if we will follow the Allah Almighty's directions, inshallah we will get success. Otherwise it's very difficult. Yes, let's read Surah Al-Qari'ah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let's read Al-Qari'ah. Qaf would be bold. Al-Qari'ah. Mal-Qari'ah. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْقَارِعَةُ وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْقَارِعَةُ يَوْمَ يَكُونُ النَّاسُ كَالْفَرَاشِ الْمَبْثُوثِ يَوْمَ يَكُونُ النَّاسُ كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من ثقلت موازينه فهو في عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية الله وما أدراك ما هي نار حامية. Astaghfirullah. Let's read the translation. Yes, the first Al-Qari'ah, the shocker, the shock giver. Yes, the thing that will shock the people. Mal-Qari'ah, what is the shocker? Allah Akbar. Allah Almighty is questioning. Do you know what is the shocker that will make you shocked? Next is, what will explain to you what the shocker is? Yes, what will explain to you what the shocker is? Yes, the day when people will be scattered moths. Yes, you know, moths are simple and very, very much small insects. Yes, Allah Almighty says on the day of judgment, or on the Yawm Al-Qiyamah, that is the shocker. Yawm Al-Qiyamah is the shocker, and on that day, the people will be like scattered moths, scattered insects, and the mountains will be like fluffed up wool, like a very much fluffed up wool that will be scattered, that will be thrown here and there. Yes, the mountains, oh Allahu Akbar, the mountains will be just like a wool. Then, as for the one whose scales are heavy, he will be in pleasant life. Allah Almighty is giving good news for the people whose scales are heavy. Whose scales are heavy with goodness. Yes. Whose scales are heavy with good actions. Who followed the Holy Prophet ﷺ's path in this world, obeys the directions of Allah Almighty in this world, in this life. His life will be very much successful in this world and the world hereafter. His scale will be heavy and he will be very, very much happy. He is the real winner. Yes, he will be in a pleasant life. But as far as the one whose scales are light, his home is the abyss. Do you know what it is? A raging fire, a great fire, the hellfire. Yes, the person whose scales are light, he is really, really the most miserable person. He is really the most unsuccessful, the hugely failure person, the hugely failed person of this world and the world hereafter. No matter how great things of this world he has, how big car he has, but if he don't obey Allah Almighty, and if he don't follow the Prophet's path, he is a loser. He is a loser. Always keep it in mind. Who is saying? Allah is saying that whose scales are light on the day of judgment, he is a loser. Yes, he will be punished with hellfire. However, the person who follows the path of Prophet ﷺ and have good dealings in this world, he will be the most successful, the most peaceful, as well as the greatly and perfectly winner person of that on the day of judgment, inshallah. And we should pray to Allah Almighty that Allah, please make our scales heavy. Please give us opportunity to make this life a great thing so that we can make this world life. Yes, we should pray to Allah Almighty. Allah, please give us tawfiq so that we can earn your happiness. We can do good deeds so that our scales become heavy and we are successful in this world and the world hereafter. We should constantly pray to Allah Almighty. Take care, practice lesson this one and memorize this surah translation, learn translation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.